Most people think they get enough calcium, but billions are actually deficient without realizing it, leading to weak bones, stiff joints, and low energy as they age. The good news is you don't need pills or expensive supplements to fix it. Nature already provides powerful calcium-rich foods that rebuild strength from the inside out. In this video, we'll go through 11 essential foods that support your bones, joints, posture, and overall health in a simple and natural way. Let's get started. Number 1. Sardines. Sardines are a complete calcium package because the edible bones inside them contain highly absorbable calcium paired with natural vitamin D, which acts like a key that unlocks calcium absorption and moves it directly into bone tissue. They also provide omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation, ease joint stiffness, improve mobility, and support the spine and hips, two areas most vulnerable to bone loss with age. The best part is how easily the body recognizes this type of calcium because it's a natural food form mineral, not a synthetic supplement. With their rich mineral profile, sardines strengthen bone density while supporting heart and brain function, and they fit effortlessly into meals. Simply enjoy them grilled with lemon, mixed into pasta, layered on whole grain toast, or added to salads for a simple daily calcium boost. Number 2. Almonds. Almonds are a plant-based calcium source that pairs calcium with magnesium, which helps guide calcium into the bones instead of letting it deposit in soft tissues. This prevents calcification in the wrong places and improves bone integrity long-term. Almonds also support blood sugar regulation, which protects bone tissue from damage caused by glucose swings, and the healthy fats they contain support hormone balance, especially valuable for women after age 40, when bone density begins to naturally decline. Their combination of minerals, fiber, and natural oils makes them a smart, daily bone support food that requires no cooking. You can enjoy almonds as a snack, blend into smoothies, sprinkle over yogurt or oatmeal, or use almond butter and almond flour as nutrient-dense alternatives that contribute to daily calcium intake. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video, because the next one is a calcium powerhouse most people overlook. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a dual benefit food because it provides calcium and probiotics that support gut health, which plays a major role in mineral absorption. A healthy gut allows calcium to pass into the bloodstream more efficiently, meaning your body uses more of what you eat. It's also rich in protein to build muscle, and strong muscles act like armor for the bones, improving balance, posture, and fall resistance. The iodine and B12 in Greek yogurt also support metabolism and nerve function, both influenced by calcium levels. With its thick, nutrient-dense structure, Greek yogurt becomes an ideal daily breakfast or snack, especially when combined with calcium partners like chia seeds, berries, or nuts, creating a synergy that strengthens bones, supports immunity, and fuels the body with long-lasting energy. Number 4. Kale. Kale stands out as one of the most bioavailable plant sources of calcium due to its low oxalate content, making its minerals easier for the body to absorb than calcium from spinach. It contains vitamin K2, which directs calcium into the bones and away from arteries, reducing the risk of bone thinning and improving long-term skeletal stability. Kale also brings antioxidants that protect bone cells from oxidative stress, a major cause of age-related bone weakness and slower repair. When eaten regularly, kale supports joint comfort, bone density, and healthy mobility, and it's easy to include in daily meals by blending into smoothies, adding to soups, sautéing with garlic and olive oil, or using as a salad base to fuel the body with steady mineral support. Number 5. Ricotta cheese. Ricotta cheese delivers one of the highest natural calcium concentrations in dairy, while also providing amino acids that reinforce the internal bone matrix, the structural framework that calcium attaches to. Without this matrix, bones become brittle, but ricotta helps strengthen both the structure and the mineral layer. Its natural fats and proteins support hormone balance, which is essential for bone maintenance as we age, especially for women during hormonal transitions. Ricotta also supports dental health, jawbone strength, and muscle repair with nutrients the body can easily digest, making it an ideal food for breakfast or lunch when spread on whole grain toast, paired with fruit, added to pasta, or used in savory dishes where it adds creaminess and nutritional value without heaviness. Number 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds contain more calcium per gram than most dairy foods, and their soluble fiber forms a gel in the stomach that promotes smooth digestion and helps the body absorb minerals more effectively. Their omega-3 fatty acids lubricate the joints, reduce morning stiffness, and protect cartilage, while their antioxidant content shields bone cells from inflammatory damage. Chia even supports collagen formation, the connective structure that holds bone minerals in place. This combination makes chia a long-term support food for anyone wanting stronger bones, better joints, and deeper nutritional absorption, and it fits effortlessly into meals by mixing into smoothies, yogurt bowls, oatmeal or water bottles, or by preparing chia pudding as a nutrient-dense breakfast that steadily feeds the body throughout the day. Number 7. Tofu. Tofu is one of the most effective non-dairy calcium sources because many varieties are made with calcium sulfate, which increases their calcium content and improves the body's ability to absorb it. Tofu also contains isoflavones that help regulate hormones, a major factor in bone density, especially for aging adults or individuals with hormonal imbalances. Because tofu is easy to digest and high in protein, it supports muscle tissue and bone repair simultaneously, reinforcing the hips, knees, and spine, where age-related bone decline commonly begins. It absorbs flavors naturally, making it a versatile ingredient that can be grilled, stir-fried, marinated, or added to soups and bowls for a satisfying calcium-rich meal that pairs perfectly with vitamin D foods or sunlight exposure for maximum absorption. Number 8. Milk. Milk provides the ideal trio for bone health: calcium, vitamin D, and protein, which work together to build, maintain, and repair bone structures. Fortified plant milks such as almond, soy, oat, or coconut milk can match or even surpass dairy calcium levels because they are often enriched with added minerals. This makes them valuable for vegans, lactose-intolerant individuals, and anyone who prefers lighter options. The key is consistency. Regular daily servings strengthen bone remodeling, the natural cycle of replacing old bone with new, support posture and stability, and help the body maintain mineral balance. Whether added to coffee, cereal, smoothies, or cooking, these milks provide straightforward nutritional support with minimal effort. Number 9. Broccoli. Broccoli delivers calcium in a gentle, stomach-friendly form supported by vitamin C, which boosts collagen production, the soft framework inside bones that helps them stay flexible instead of brittle. This flexibility is crucial. Bones that bend slightly are harder to break. Broccoli also supports detoxification, helping remove inflammatory waste that interferes with mineral absorption. For people who struggle with dairy or prefer lighter foods, broccoli becomes an ideal daily calcium source, especially when lightly steamed or sautéed to preserve nutrient content, added to stir-fries, soups, pasta dishes, or served as a simple side that nourishes bones while supporting digestion and energy. Number 10. Oranges. Oranges and fortified orange juice support bone strength by providing plant-based calcium combined with vitamin C, which helps rebuild bone surfaces, protect cartilage, and maintain joint structure. Vitamin C also supports the connective tissues that hold bones in position, improving mobility and reducing stiffness. Fortified orange juice can deliver a high calcium dose quickly, making it useful for busy lifestyles or people who consume limited dairy. When paired with a meal containing protein or healthy fats, the calcium absorbs more gradually, creating a smoother mineral release that benefits both nerves and muscles while stabilizing energy levels throughout the day. Number 11. White beans. White beans are an underrated calcium source rich in magnesium and potassium, minerals that help muscles contract smoothly, protect nerves, and create the internal hydration needed for bone elasticity. Bones need a balance between strength and flexibility to resist fractures, and white beans support that balance. They also stabilize blood sugar and maintain steady energy, which reduces stress hormones that indirectly weaken bones. White beans are ideal for individuals avoiding dairy or with digestive sensitivity, and they integrate naturally into soups, stews, salads, spreads, and warm bowls, offering a slow-burning source of calcium that supports long-term bone strength, posture, and structural stability. These 11 calcium-rich foods can help strengthen your bones, support your joints, improve posture, and keep your body more stable as you age. Just remember that calcium works best when paired with vitamin D, magnesium, healthy fats, and small daily habits that you can stay consistent with. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. And before you go, tell me in the comments which calcium-rich food you will start adding to your routine first. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.